Hello everybody, it's Kat. So today I have a very special video. As you can see, I am decked out in my Mickey ears today. We are going to be doing a unboxing. So I found this company called Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. I don't remember where I originally saw it, but I got a box. So I have been waiting quite a while for this box, and I finally got it today. I have not even unsealed it, and we're gonna unbox it together. I don't know what's in it, so let's get into it because I'm really excited. So here is what the box looks like. It's super cute. I love the actual box. It's got like the castle on it and the teacups and Star Wars even. So excited. Okay, so we're just gonna cut right into this because I've been waiting over a month for this, guys. Oh, it's got the up house. There's one thing that I specifically asked for, and I'm really hoping it's in here. I asked for these Chippendale plushies, but we'll see. I don't really know how easy those are to find. So, and I said anything Toy Story. I said I love Rex. I don't remember what else I said, but let's get into it. And as you can see, I have been packing, so I'm so excited. Alright, so we're just gonna put this over here. Alright, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. I kind of see something and I'm freaking out already. So it looks like it was their 1-year anniversary. I'm not going to look at this because I think this is my packing slip of how much everything was, I think. I'll just give a quick, yeah, there's like a note in there. We'll look at that later. There's this little envelope, so let's open this first. What's in here? Oh my god, these are so cute. So there's a little button, because I think it's their 1-year anniversary that they've been doing these boxes. So there's a little button. I can put this on my bag. Oh my word, the cutest little stickers ever, and a really cute castle one. So those will definitely go to use somehow. I'm very excited about those. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So you know what? I'm not even gonna take the tissue paper off. So there's pixie dust and all kinds of little like star things. I'm not even gonna, okay, that was a fail. Let's fix my hat, shall we? All right, there we go. I didn't have it clipped in. All right, so let's do this. I'm not even gonna, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm not even gonna open the tissue paper, guys. We're just gonna like dig in. So, there's a shirt. Oh god, I don't know what to do. I feel things. Okay. So we have a shirt. I think I know what this is. No. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, this is like straight up 90s, guys. Look at this. It's like a sports kind of shirt. Oh my gosh. I am so bringing this to Disneyland with me. Oh my god. I'm so excited. That is amazing. Okay, this. Yes. Yeah. I see something. Oh my god, I see something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I always see these in the parks, and I'm always like, oh, they're really cute, but I've never really wanted to buy them. But I am so happy I have these guys. Like, I am so gonna Disney bound as Sully. So Disney bounding. And it kind of matches my hair. Oh my god, I'm beyond happy already. Like, beyond. This is one of the things I wanted. So I got one of the little Loungefly things that I actually really have been eyeing on Box Lunch. So this is like a little coin purse. I'm gonna use this for like my headphones. This is, I'm so happy right now. You guys have no idea. So, oh my God. Look at the inside. So a lot of you guys asked me in my art stream the other day what I was creating, the ball. This is the ball. That's Luxo. Oh my God, that's adorable. Love. Okay, what else is in here? Mini ear hat, Metal Earth. So cute. We'll definitely do this. Oh, that's really cool. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. I'm excited to do that. I have no words right now. I literally have absolutely no words right now. I have no words. I have absolutely no words. Guys, this is the operations manual for the Millennium Falcon, and it is a purse. Says Star Wars in like hollow on the back. I have no words. This is incredible. Oh my gosh. I love this. Guys, I have no words. This is so cool. I've never seen this before. I'm gonna have to change purses like ASAP. This is amazing. I've never seen this before on like any of the sites. That's so cute. I think that is it. Yes, it is. So, okay, I'm gonna say something right now. I was very skeptical of doing this because first and foremost, it was kind of pricey. This was $100, and I got this for myself for my 2,000 follower milestone. And I really, truly was kind of like, why did I do this? Am I gonna regret this? What if they don't know my style? I don't know how they got this so unbelievably right, but this is incredible. And I'm so excited to Disney bound as Sully, first off. So let's look at this thing. So the total retail value was $129.98, and I paid $119. So the Buzz coin purse is $24. The Sully horns were $27. The shirt, I can't handle that shirt. That shirt is incredible. I don't think this is a Disney exclusive. I think this is from, yes, so this is from a like Etsy shop, I guess, from the Lost Brothers, but this is just everything. I'm so excited to wear this. Then the bag was $30. The Metal Earth was $21, and the birthday pin was $0. So I definitely think this was worth it. I still can't believe that this bag is everything. Like, everything. I think this is one of the coolest Disney bags that I have seen, and I am so excited to wear this to Star Wars Land when I go next week. But thank you, Bibbidi Bobbidi Thank you, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, for creating such an awesome subscription box. I will absolutely be doing this again. Um, Maybe like every other month I'll do one, but this was everything. This totally made my day. I am so excited to bring these with me to Disney and Disney bound as Sully because I love Sully. Um, I've always loved Sully, hence the hair, guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Bibbidi Boxes. I'm just gonna call you Bibbidi Boxes because it's too hard to say. And I am so excited to bring these things with me to the parks. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.